Starts now with meteorologist Eric Johnson.
Well, we have a nice and sunny evening here in Great Falls. There are a few storms around central Montana, but we have managed to stay mostly dry in Cascade County. Temperatures sitting in the lower 80s. We do have a pretty gusty wind out of the east-northeast at about 13 miles an hour. And in Helena, we have had some clouds around and some showers and storms nearby, but a mostly dry day with temperatures sitting in the mid-80s at the moment. And our storms from yesterday actually pushed to the east and caused some major impact in the Billings area. This photo was taken by Taylin Carner. We saw up to tennis ball sized hail causing a lot of damage in the Billings area. And these storms have had a lot of moisture to work with. We have dew points in the 50s, even some low 60s in eastern Montana, which is fairly high for Montana. So these storms will have a lot of moisture to work with, meaning we'll see a lot of hail and the potential for some very heavy rain over the next few days. Now we do have a few strong to severe thunderstorms over southern Blaine County into Fergus County. Those storms will continue to drift off to the one to the northeast and one to the southeast, and we'll see if those hold together any further. We do also have a flash flood warning over southeastern Fergus County. We had a storm that was just sitting over parts of the Big and Little Snowy Mountains and just dropping rain. We saw over 2 inches of rain in some of those areas. So that flash flood warning will expire at 7:45. And then there are just a few isolated showers along the Rocky Mountain front this evening. And then we're, of course, tracking those 2 severe thunderstorms across parts of southern Blaine and northern Fergus counties. Again, our main concern with those storms are going to be some heavy downpours, some large hail and damaging wind gusts. But the main area of severe weather for today will be well to the south of central Montana along I-90. That's where we're going to see that potential for gusts as high as 60 to 70 miles an hour, potentially up to 2.5-inch in diameter hail. So another round of severe weather for the Billings area tonight. And as we look at the future track, those storms will start to diminish into the overnight hours. We'll see some sunshine tomorrow. I think we're just looking at isolated showers and storms for tomorrow. We're not anticipating any severe weather once again here in central Montana. But heading into Thursday, that's when we're really going to see a better chance for some stronger thunderstorms. And our big concern with these is going to be some heavy rain. We're going to see a lot of moisture available for the end of the week, and that is going to lead to the threat of some flash flooding. Now, looking at our larger weather setup, we've had this area of high pressure just parked over the plains, and that has been causing some drier weather there, but some moisture wrapping up and around that and leading to just daily chances for showers and thunderstorms. Did want to mention we do have a couple of fires burning locally. Dearborn fire still 0% contained last check and close to 200 acres. That was caused by lightning, and fortunately there are no evacuations for that fire, as well as for the Sucker Creek fire just about 2 miles to the north of Lincoln, still 0% contained, and that is about 80 acres at this point. But our wind speeds will get a little stronger into tomorrow. We'll likely see gusts of 20 to 30 miles an hour, pretty widespread across central Montana, so it will be noticeably breezy, and temperatures tonight slipping back into the 50s and low 60s. So a pretty mild night for most of us. Again, still a few lingering showers and thunderstorms possible. And we'll look at your temperatures in Helena slipping back to the mid to upper 50s. And then looking ahead to the rest of the week, still pretty active, but I think that better chance for storms will be on Thursday, and then that will kind of drop off into this weekend, just some isolated storms around. And over in Helena, we also have that chance for some storms, especially into Thursday, with a lower chance into this weekend.